because we pinky sweared.
Oh, it's a freight. With a war bonnet. Oh, it's a Santa Fe war bonnet. Fake bonnet.
Oh yeah! No, that's the train.
NSF.
Great train.
Yeah, we got
That's the train you showed me.
a fake bonnet. Yes, this is paradise. Here, let's just put this here and just let it do its thing.
No, this is the train that you showed me.
That's an intermodal.
Is it the longest train ever?
I think it's a Priority Z train, Emma.
It's the longest train ever.
What? It just started.
It's not even perfect.
I think this is a Priority Z train, Emma.
Priority Z.
Yeah. They work like pizza deliveries.
I know how to make a Z. Look.